Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner. Today is Sunday and we are having crab cake sandwiches. Now, this was all pre-made already. We got it from the fresh market. It was the meal deal of the week that changes every Wednesday, and this was about $20. So here is the little recipe card. Super easy. It gave us the buns, the crab cakes, coleslaw, and fruit. And it also gave you a sauce that you can choose from, either the sriracha mayo, the pesto, or the spicy chipotle. That's the one that we got. But yes, everything here except for the spinach was only $20. So never really had a crab cake, but we are going to try it and see if I like it, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Monday and today we are doing a tried and true. It is chicken loretta. It is a boneless thigh with mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and paprika, all layered on top of the chicken. And then Jared did some Brussels sprouts steamed. He cut them in half, put some salt and pepper and everything else, and then he wrapped it in like a little pocket and then baked it with the chicken. It was super yummy. This is the recipe, which will be found on my Pinterest down below in the description. And we will see you guys Tuesday. Hey guys, it is Tuesday and we are having sticky pork belly. And we are having it with cauliflower rice. Well, I'm having it with cauliflower rice. Jared's having it with regular rice. And then we mix in some broccoli. And then I got some of these pot stickers. They're pork pot stickers. And they are from the Asian store that I picked up the other weekend. And we are going to try that. Hopefully it's good. But the sticky pork belly is a try and true recipe. And we absolutely love it. So we're going to eat that. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Wednesday and we did something a little bit different. We just tweaked it just a little bit. We were supposed to have the spicy shrimp with rice, cauliflower, and zucchini, but we had some leftover sauce in the freezer that we really needed to get cooked up, and the noodles needed to be cooked also. So we did some egg noodles with the tomato sauce, and then we did the spicy shrimp. And here is the recipe if you want the spicy shrimp. Super easy: olive oil, shrimp, garlic sauce, chili powder, cayenne, and black pepper. And it is really good. It's pretty spicy if you like the heat, but we are going to eat this and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Thursday and it's a very simple meal today. We are having egg sandwiches, which I absolutely love. I can eat them morning, noon, and night. So we just toast some bread and it has some spinach, mayo, cheese, 2 eggs or 2 fried eggs, and then 2 pieces of bacon. Absolutely love this. I usually like my eggs a little bit more soft boiled because it's a little runny, but it's fine. And then I have some milk, and yeah, so we're gonna eat this up. Tried and true, absolutely love it. And then we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Friday night. It is about 8:00 p.m. I just got home from work. Super simple. We are having grilled cheeses. Jared made it for me. So I'm just going to have 2 grilled cheeses and some milk. Absolutely love milk with anything that deals with cheese or pasta, pizza, anything. I love me some milk. Also, I'm going to eat some of these Lay's fried pickles with ranch. Have y'all tried these? These are freaking good. You can get them at Walmart, but absolutely love these. So that is what we're going to have for dinner on Friday, and we will see you guys for the last day on Saturday. Hey guys, it is Saturday night, and we are having something super simple. We're having some steamed fish that I got from the Asian market, which is super good fish. I can't pronounce the name. It starts with a P though, but it's really good. If you have an Asian market close to you, go and get that fish. And then we have some roasted zucchini that we really needed to eat, so we roasted that. But yes, this is very simple, no carbs, very low carbs here. And before I end this video, I just want to recap of our dinners from this week. So we had the sticky pork belly. This is a tried and true recipe. Absolutely love it. Going to be on the Pinterest. A lot of these recipes will be on Pinterest. Then we had some chicken Loretta with some chicken thighs breaded with some breadcrumbs and stuff. Super good, super moist. You bake it for like 45 minutes. Super easy if you want a quick meal. And then we actually had the shrimp, the spicy shrimp part, not the cauliflower or the kale, but we had the spicy shrimp, and then we made some egg noodles and ate some leftover of the tomato sauce that I made a couple of weeks ago. And then we had, what else did we have on our menu? So breakfast, as usual, always good. Eggs, bacon, had a sandwich with it. The roasted Brussels sprouts are really good. Now the Fresh Market crab cakes, this is the first time I've ever eaten crab cake in my entire life. The Fresh Market crab cakes are so good. They are so good. We ate it on for 2 days because we had 2 leftovers, but they were super good, super tender, like really moist and everything. But yeah, so that is everything that we had this week. Absolutely love making videos, and hopefully y'all will come back next week and see what we had for dinner. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you're going to try any of these recipes, or if you have videos that you are making of what you eat for dinner. Also, I will be more than willing to go and check it out. And y'all have a blessed week. Bye.